Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, can you draw a heart? Heart.
Me.
Yes, can you make a heart? Draw a heart. Uh-oh.
B, Daddy. D.
Okay, give me a heart.
Daddy.
And that's Daddy's heart. Okay, how about Mommy's heart?
D.
Daddy daw kasi it's big one. So, she's making a big heart kasi it's Daddy's heart. Okay.
D.
Yeah, that's Daddy. Okay. How about Mommy's heart? Oh, she's gonna put eyes. Eyes daw, eyes. Look at her eyes. Nilagyan niya pa talaga ng eyelid. Yung bilog sa gitna. Talaga naisip niya pa yun. Okay, what's next?
D.
Hair daw, hair. Did Daddy has a hair?
Yeah.
Huh? Daddy has hair?
D. Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Da.
Mouth.
D.
Teeth. Okay.
Da.
Nose. Nose. How about Daddy's ear? How about this one? Daddy's ear. Yeah. Where you gonna put that? But that one is space. So how you gonna put hand there? Is that Daddy's space, right? Why you gonna put hand there? Is that a potato? Potato Daddy? Yeah, why you putting hands there? It's Daddy's space. Your hands is not tapat of your mouth. Your hands is not here. See, this is the nose. And why you're putting the hands here? Right? The hands is not there. Where is your hand? Where is your hand? Show me your hand, Star. Where is your hand? Oh, Daddy is doing like that. Oh my God, you're so smart. I'm sorry, Mommy don't know you're drawing like that. Nakaganon daw kaya daw yung kamay. Napakatalino namang bata. Talaga lahat may explanation.
Me. D. Da. Da.
What's that?
D.
Hands?
Yeah.
Pink? Oh, that's hands. The other side is hands. Ewa, what's this? Why you put it here? It's a nose?
No.
That's not nose?
No.
So what was that?
D.
Huh?
Me. D. Da.
A finger, a hand?
Yeah.
Arm?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Kayo na lang umintindi ng dinadrawing niya. At least, ina-explain naman niya kung ano.
D.
Hindi ko lang
Mommy.
naintindihan.
D. D.
Okay. Hindi ko lang naiintindihan yung sinasabi niya, pero at least ini-explain niya. Oh. Eyeglass?
Yeah.
Oh. And then that's not Daddy anymore. That's Kuya na. Kuya is wearing eyeglass. Good job. Oh, letter A.
No.
Where's letter A? That's letter A.
Oh.
Okay, good job. How about letter B? Can you write down letter B? Eyes. Letter B. Oh, letter A daw, pero she's gonna put eyes. Kasi kanina, she did the heart with eyes and nose and lips. Good job. Draw a letter B. Good job. How about letter C? Letter C. Good job. Good job. How about D?
No.
Letter D.
D?
Yeah, D. This one. D. Can you draw that?
Daddy. Oh.
Yes.
D. 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 D.
3D. 3. That's 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, can you draw that? Letter D.
D.
Good job.
D.
Okay, do it one more time.
D. D.
Good job. See? You're perfect. How about letter T? T.
D.
Yes. No, this one L.
Huh?
L. This one is letter L.
Daddy.
Okay. Wow, letter L. Good job. About letter O. Letter O. Good job.
Da.
How about letter S?
No.
Star.
Da.
Oh, she's gonna put eyes.
No. Da.
Donut?
Yeah.
That's a donut. Your favorite donut?
Yeah.
Okay. How about star? Can you draw a star?
No. Da.
Ah, this one?
Yeah.
Oh.
D. Da.
Oh. To circle.
Da.
Heart? This is heart inside the circle. How about star? Can you draw a star? Letter S. Where is the letter S? Oh, you're making? What was that?
Da.
Can you make a flower? Can you draw a flower?
Daddy.
You have a flower in your clothes. This one. Can you draw a flower? Yeah. Okay, make flower for mommy.
Oh.
What letter is that?
Ah.
Huh? What letter is that?
I.
M.
Ah. B.